Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and just go ahead and click on your avatar icon at the top right and double check if the your apps needs to be updated. So if it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and I'm going to just go ahead and enter the Snapchat. And as you can see right here, this is my Snapchat and everything. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the search icon at the top left, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a location, maybe LA, right? So I'm going to just type right here or click search for LA, for example, and you're going to see the results. Let me, just maybe the wrong browser, right? I'm going to just go ahead right here and click the maps at the below left corner, and I'm going to just go ahead and allow my location and just go ahead right here and enter LA, right? And basically hit right here, let me just type Los Angeles, right? And I'm gonna just type something like this, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and select the location, and basically I'm gonna play the stories that's been made like in this specific location basically. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see who created that story by scrolling a little bit down, right? And basically that's it, right? And as you can see, this is like one of the stories and everything. You can just go ahead and check who made that story and then start connecting. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.